Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Cozen's assessment. What is the Cozen's assessment or test? Cozen's test is a physical test used to diagnose tennis elbow, which is an irritating condition caused by overusing the forearm muscles attached to the elbow. It can lead to pain and weakness in the arm, as well as weakening grip strength in the hand. The symptoms include tenderness on the outside of the elbow, pain when extending or twisting the wrist, and a burning sensation in the elbow. The test involves extending the wrist and forearm while applying pressure on the muscles. If the patient experiences pain or discomfort at a certain angle of extension, they likely have tennis elbow, which is confirmed by further tests such as imaging scans or X-rays. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use the test, however it is commonly used by physical therapists. Here's how to use Cozen's test effectively. The first step is to fill out the name and date, as well as read the instructions and reminders included. You will then need to conduct the test. The final step is to add notes and then integrate results within your treatment. To view a sample assessment of Cozen's test, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access and download the worksheet for free. You can also access the test through our platform. Simply filter by community and assessment and type in the keywords if needed. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.